Guess what time it is? Dun 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 dun. It is time for a brand new box from Paper Insiders. Wow! Look at there. Wow. Some envelopes. Okay. That must be a free gift. 4 envelopes. And then I love the Paper Insider is like a present to yourself 4 times a year. Now, if you're not aware of what this wonderful little box is, your Paper Insider is a present that you can give yourself 4 times a year. It is a quarterly subscription box that comes all wrapped up just for you. It is always a surprise, and it is full of worldwide sourced papers. So let's just rip it open together. I always like to peek at it together for the first time. And I do love these papers. They foil, they BetterPress. They just bring, they bring your projects to life. Box number 10. Look at here. This piece of paper always tells you the inside scoop. Now, it'll tell you a little bit about the really special papers in the box. So we have an aquamarine glitter gloss cardstock, 81-pound cover, 8.5 by 11 sheet of glitter gloss. Gosh, with it being gloss, that means we can foil on it, guys. Oh, that is going to be so cool to have glitter behind your foiling. That is going to be awesome. So you're going to have that cracked silver holographic right here, baby. Right here. And that's 100-pound. Their holographic is almost always 100-pound. I don't think I've ever seen it any less than that. It's very high quality. Then we have this bay blue velveteen felt. So let me cut into this very carefully. I absolutely love the way they always have this wrapped for you, because it's not wrapped in the box just once. It's wrapped up in the tissue paper, and then it is wrapped up in this plastic coating as well. So it is wrapped 3 times to make sure it gets to you in pristine condition. Now look at this. Look at this. This is literally velvet type paper. It is so pretty. And if you saw some of my videos in the past, you've seen that I've made an actual animal out of this paper before. The moose. If you've seen that before, my other videos. And then look at this. All of these others, except for this one, is 8.5 by 11. So this here, I'm going to get rid of our box so we have more room. This right here goes through our entire box for us. So we have matching holograph cardstock and envelopes. So that's where our envelopes come in. So that means we're going to have the oil slick pattern in January's box. That's awesome. So it's all the way down here. So we are going to have a piece of this in this box as well. So we're going to have this one, plus we're going to have oil slick. Awesome. Okay, so we have the bay blue velveteen felt paper. Then we have the silver, whoops, wrong direction. The silver holographic. That is your cracked holographic. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. I am totally foiling this paper, guys. Oh my goodness. This is glossy glitter. I have never seen anything so beautiful. Wow, and the color. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Oh, we need more of this in our lives right here. Wow. Okay, then we have a Berrylicious Pop Tone. That's a 65-pound cover. Then we have Black Royal Sundance Linen. This is a textured linen paper. So you've got the linen stripes through it. I love textured paper. It's so pretty when you die cut it and you have that texture. I always save this for die cutting. Love that. Speaking of texture, wow. It's like it's embossed. Wow. That is so pretty. That one there is called Stellar White Carnival Groove. Then we have a medium yellow. This is also a glossy paper, so that would also foil beautifully. Then we have a sunshine yellow Cadillac. Love this. Check this one out here. Wow. Oh, this is two different specialty papers. I didn't realize, look how pretty they are together. I didn't even realize it was two papers. Look at that. So let's see. This one is Fuchsia Rayon Grid Tissue. And this one is Tirari Yellow Rayon. Look at these. Those gorgeous. I totally like them together though. Can you see that? Using that as a background? Kind of looks Asian to me. Wow. And it's got such a pretty feel to it. But look at this one up close as well. This is a thin paper, but it's got these white, like, flecks in it. I don't think you can probably... Well, yeah, you can see that in the camera. See the white flecks running through it? It's almost like little feathers. Wow. I think I'm totally going to use these together, though, because I like this just the way it came out. When I saw this like this, I was like, oh, so beautiful. I'm totally going to use those together. Okay, then you have Orange Fizz Pop Tone. I've had that one before, and I've actually used a lot of it. Then there's this one. This is a really pretty color. Orange Daiquiri Cocktail Shimmer. No, that's not that right one. Oh, this is the vellum. This is the shimmer. Okay, these are a little out of order. This is a shimmer paper. See that? That one is the Orange Daiquiri Cocktail Shimmer. I would say this is more of a hot pink. I think these are out of order, but look at that color. Gosh, I wish my nails were that color right now. Yeah, I got damage done to my nails at the salon, so I had to take all my nails off. They used the Dremel too much. So here, this is so pretty. Look at this. This is so pretty. This is called White Hemp Flower Rayon. See, these papers you can't get anywhere else. I mean, is that not gorgeous? Then check Hot Pink. No. Bougainville Pink Malmero. 100-pound cover. I cannot pronounce these names. Okay, I can pronounce this one. Hot Pink Non-Shed Glitter. I can totally get that one. I'm glad they sent another piece of this because I'm like out. I was like literally hoarding the little pitty scraps. This one is so pretty. It makes your cards jump off the page. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, this one we missed back here. This one went back here. That's that vellum. See, it's really thin vellum, but it's gorgeous. Gosh. All right, continue with the pinks. This one here is another of our pinks. And then here is our oil slick. Now, see, that goes with our matching envelopes. Then this one, I need more green in my life. This is Shocking Green So Silk. This is another like metallic. They're calling this a silk, but it's really actually kind of a glossy matte, if that makes sense. It could totally be foiled on. There's a lot of these that can be foiled on. This is totally a foils paradise right here. We have a pretty kiwi translucent vellum. Look at this one, guys. Very, very ornate. Lime pearlized filigree. Oh my gosh, get me the sunglasses. Sun fluorescent matte. That is some fluorescent right there. Then now this one, that is a really pretty green. I'm totally using that with my flowers though. Look at this fluorescent. Look at this fluorescent with that hot pink. Look at that with the glitter. I know it's bright by itself, but you put that with that pink or that teal. Oh my goodness. Then we have a non-shed black glitter. Love these. Then you have an ultra smooth 100-pound cover. Now this is perfect for your glimmer machine. Very, very slick, smooth 100-pound weight. I believe you can buy that actually on the website also. Then you have Black Russian Cocktail Shimmer. This is Black Russian Cocktail Shimmer. Really pretty. And again, this would foil beautifully. So you have a ton of items in here that you could actually hot foil. There's more hot foiling than BetterPress ones this month, actually. So you have, gosh, you have a whole bunch. And it's like every bright color you could want. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous set. And perfect for spring. All of our spring items coming up. This is going to be perfect for it. So you always get this inside cheat sheet. It tells you everything you need to know about every single paper in here. It has a reference guide down here at the bottom. It tells you about the exclusive specialty papers that are sourced from around the world. And like I said again, this box here is $29.95 when you subscribe, $34.95 if you buy them after the subscription month. Some of them are still available from previous months. And there are other individual items on the website as well. So the link is down below if you're interested. And watch my projects on social media. I always tag Your Paper Insider whenever I'm crafting with their products. I also will mention it in the videos as well because I love these products. They really make my cards stand proud. I am on the Your Paper Insider team this year. I will be receiving the boxes quarterly, and I am ecstatic to be crafting with them all year. So if you're interested, links down below. And as always, those are affiliate links and they do support my channel. So thank you so much. Have an amazing day, my friends. Bye-bye for now.